Thank you. Okay, so we're in Walt Disney Studios now. We're just walking around looking for something to do because in here there's so many shows, but then like you have to be at it at a certain time. So we were thought we were going to a show there, but it turns out you actually just get pictures with the characters, which we couldn't be arsed to do. Right now we're just gonna go on a ride with the shortest wait time because most of them are 65 minutes and I cannot be arsed waiting in a line for 65 minutes. Oh my god. But like the park is so small, we're kind of like nearly done. We have like 4 rides and then we're probably gonna go back, or no, we'll get something to eat. So yeah, and Cruella de Vil just came out there a minute ago. I'm waiting until Mr. and Mrs. Incredible come out. You having fun?
Whoa, so much fun today. I'm after doing a plait in my hair and we're getting on the ride. I only have one in. Oh my god, it's so... I don't like it. Oh my god. So we are now on our way to get some food finally. We went into the queue for the parachute drop and it said 35 minutes but it felt like 6 hours. Like we were literally standing there for ages. And as soon as we got to the top, my camera like froze, like it wasn't even turning on. And I actually just wanted to cry thinking that after all that I couldn't even get a video of it. But we got on and it got fixed. So that was actually really fun, wasn't it? I didn't expect it to be that fast. So we're just after getting a few pictures there of our outfits. This is what I'm wearing. So the outfit I'm wearing today, my top is Pretty Little Thing, my shorts are Zara, and then I'm wearing Converse. Oh, it's packed now.
Totally!
No,
For some reason,
so good.
they
Oh my god, this is so weird backwards. Oh my god! Here comes the rain now. So all we did was go on it's a small world. I'm vlogging on my phone because obviously I have no storage as we know me. So there's the castle. There was a big massive dark cloud coming and you can see it in my photos and I knew it was gonna lash, but I got my pretty photos so I don't really care. So we're going into Discoveryland because we have an hour left before the park closes. And each ride is like a 10-15 minute wait. So I'm hoping we can do them. But I'm so excited to do Hyperspace Mountain and then back to the hotel to get changed. So yeah, I'm obsessed with my hair. So this is the only ride indoors. Look at my jeans! Oh my god! excited. So we're going on Hyperspace Mountain and I can just hear people screaming. I'm so excited. Oh my god, no, that did not disappoint. I actually think it wiped my makeup off. Look at my hair.
My lashes came off.
Oh my god,
So
that was so fun. We're gonna go on again straight away. I'm gonna be sick after, but that was so fun.
our hair was like this when we came out.
Oh, with the pictures.
No.
Soaked. This way, where you going? My hair is all fire now after that. My stomach's in bits. We're gonna try get on Thunder Mountain. The park closes in like 20 minutes, so we'll walk fast. Right, I'm gonna find a table outside that's not wet. Right, we're going this way. Oh. Why won't we go up? Why do we always get the one that's broken? What? I'm sorry. Not interested. I really don't like it. I feel sick. Ah, my arm. Jesus, that's heavy. Whoa, whoa. No, we're backwards. Does it smell a sweat off him? Ah. I'm sorry, go on, what gives you the ick?
When old people like they're taking a picture, they're holding a phone like this, and instead of like walking towards this, zoom in on the phone like, why would you zoom in? Just walk.
Oh my god.